Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're wondering how well these steam cleaners work, I'm going to show you how this one that I got from Flgocexs has made everything in my house sparkle. Some things about this one that I just love are that it comes with a large water reservoir. So this can hold up to 1,600 milliliters. So that means that you can clean literally for like hours without having to go and refill the container. I love that this has a small handheld nozzle that has a long tube on it. That means that I can get it into hard to reach areas, and I'm not fatiguing my arm and hands by having to hold the reservoir up in my hand and control the nozzle at the same time. This has 3 different pressure settings. It goes from strong to stronger to strongest. And I found that this works well for everything from cleaning windows to trim in my house. Of course, another added bonus is this is just hot water. I'm not having to add any kind of soap or detergent to it, and that means that it cleans up really easily too. This comes with a lot of accessories, so you can use it on a lot of different things. Just make sure you read the manufacturer's instructions because there are some things that you want to avoid using it on. I am beyond impressed with the cleaning capabilities of this steam cleaner. It's my new favorite cleaning tool, and that's my point of view.